Hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to give a big hello and welcome to our new associates, our might-be associates, and our tour takers. Now I've got a very brief message I want to share with you, so stay with me for the next couple of moments. Thank you. Okay, just want to say thank you to our new associates, to our might-be associates, and our tour takers. The Change Your Life Club, and that's the team. If you're receiving this message, you are actually a part of the Change Your Life Club team. And of course, we're introducing Genusity 2.0 and the new global marketing industry. And what that means is this: high quality products at real wholesale prices for our customers, okay? And below wholesale prices for distributors. Okay, now we've got better prices than the big box stores. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible, never really done in the home-based business industry, hence the new global marketing industry. Okay, so we've got high quality and what I call universal products like CBD oil products, keto fat burning hand sanitizer, energy savings device, immune booster product, did I say hand sanitizer? Yeah, anti-aging skincare, and more to come. So this is really exciting. And if you haven't really been to a webinar yet, that's something that you really do want to do. We've got a compensation plan, okay, that's designed to reward you handsomely whether you recruit people or not. That's incredible. Now, you know, people have always had to recruit people. With this compensation plan, with these products, you do not have to do that. Now, I've chosen to recruit people and then build the retail side of it as well. And that's a choice that you can make, okay, when you get in here and take a look at everything. Now, here's what you'll get. You'll get a free global wholesale superstore and a done-for-you marketing system to assist you in building a profitable business from the comfort and convenience of your own home. Okay, so we have already done-for-you lead capture pages and advertising resources that are listed in the back office. Okay, now with our team, you'll have unequaled support. Okay. And this is why I want to emphasize this, because, you know, we really want people to become successful in this business. This is one of the easiest ways, I believe, that people can really build a six-figure income. Is it going to require some work? Yeah, you got to do a little bit of work, but guess what? The way that this is put together is absolutely incredible. Okay, so when you partner with us, and some of you have, then you'll partner with people that are committed to your success, to your prosperity as much as their own. Okay, we've got a 15 to 30 minute daily step-by-step ad system that you can do every single day to start building this. Now that's the minimum of what you should be doing, 15 to 30 minutes every day to build this business. Guess what? We already have that in place for you, ready to go. Now, you'll be able to participate in our co-op advertising program if that's what you want to do. You'll have access to our team rotator system. Now, this is for associates and above. Now, we're going to put you in our team rotator system. That's going to be a powerful way to help you also to build your business. All right. You'll receive one-on-one coaching if that's what you desire. Guess what? No cost to you. You'll be able now to take advantage of our Success Motivation Team conference calls, which we will be starting when we get the people that want to come on board with that. That's going to happen. It's in the works right now. It's going to be very powerful. Now, the only thing that you need to do is to visit the Change Your Life Club website. Okay, have a look around and have a look around, and then contact me when you are ready to get started, when you're ready to connect, and anything that I can do to help you, I am here as your sponsor to help you get going. Also, there's going to be a link to get signed up for our Success Motivation Conference calls, and to stay connected with me so I can send you out some information about our calls, some information about any webinars or whatever that's going on. I'll be able to do that. The company does a lot of that, but there'll be some special things that I want to send you. I do videos all the time, information, okay? And so you'll want to connect with me there. So here's the key. If you want help, from the team, it's important that you contact me, okay? Just say, hey, Terry, I'm ready to get started. We'll talk. We'll email. We'll text. Whatever we need to do to get it done. Okay, but there you have it, folks. So I thank you for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. Okay, make sure that you grab those links so that you can get the information that you'll need. Okay. Our team website, and also to stay connected with us for the Success Motivation conference calls and all of the updates that we'll need to get to you. Please, 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 if you're ready seriously to build this business, you want to build this business, stay connected with us, okay? I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. I'm wishing you a blessed and powerful and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.